The numbers unraveled. Let's unravel this problem. In this question, we are asked to find the smallest natural number n that satisfies the three congruences. As we notice, 2, 3, and 5 modulo are coprime, which means their greatest common divisor is 1. For this, we can utilize Chinese remainder theorem to solve this problem. To review, Chinese remainder theorem states that if we have a system of congruence in the form x is congruent to a sub 1 modulo 1, x is congruent to a sub 2 modulo 2, x is congruent to a sub n modulo m sub n, where a sub 1, a sub 2 to a sub n are remainders, and m sub 1, m sub 2 to m sub n are pairwise relatively prime moduli, then there exists a unique solution for x modulo the product of the moduli m. To solve problem using the Chinese remainder theorem, we first need to understand the formula. And the formula for solving the CRT is given by x is equal to a sub 1 times m sub 1 times m sub 1 inverse plus a sub 2 plus m sub 2 plus m sub 2 inverse plus a sub n times m sub n times m sub n inverse modulo m. So we have the following congruences, which is n is congruent to 1 modulo 2, n is congruent to 2 modulo 3, and n is congruent to 4 modulo 5. And since we have 3 different congruences mentioned in the problem, our formula goes like this. The values for a sub n is already given, so we just need to find the other values that we need from the given formula to solve the problem. First, let's find the value of modulo m. So the value of m is just the product of all the individual moduli. So from the given problem, we have m is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. So m is equal to 30. And since we are done in calculating the mod m, let's now find the m's of n. So m's of n are calculated as m over small m's of n, where small m's of n are the individual moduli. So substituting the values from the 3 congruences, we have m's of 1 is equal to 30 over 2 is equal to 15, m's of 2 is equal to 30 over 3 equals 10, and m's of 3 is equal to 30 over 5 equals 6. Now, we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of m's of n. So in solving for the m's of n inverse, we're just going to think of a number that when we multiply to m's of n will give us a product of 1 under the modulo. So for m's of 1 inverse, the inverse of 15 under mod 2 is 1. For m's of 2 inverse, the inverse of 10 under mod 3 is 1. And for m's of 3 inverse, the inverse of 6 under mod 5 is also 1. And now that we have all the values that we need, we can now substitute them into the CRT formula. So substituting the values, we have now n is equal to the quantity of 1 times 15 times 1 plus the quantity of 2 times 10 times 1 plus the quantity of 4 times 6 times 1 mod 30. And simplifying it, we have n is equal to 15 plus 20 plus 24 mod 30. Evaluating this, we get 59 mod 30. And as we notice, 59 is not in the reduced form. So it's a larger quantity than 30. So from 59, we can divide it by 30 and we get 29 mod 30. Therefore, the smallest natural number n that satisfies the given congruences is n is equal to 29. And that's how we unraveled the mysteries of numbers on Numbers Unraveled.